How to insert a video in Google Docs. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs and then to copy the link, simply add the video you want to add in your drive. After you do that, click on three dots in your video and then press on share. In share, you'll find copy link. Press on copy link, then go to Google Docs and paste the link in here. After you paste the link in here, you can simply click on the link and the video will pop up in your drive, or simply the video will play or open in this way. This is how to insert a video in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.